How to pin important messages in Slack in your mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can pin important messages in Slack mobile app. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So first step is we'll update our Slack to the latest version. For that, locate your Google Play Store and open it up. Right here, what you'll need to do, search for Slack and open Slack up. If you see an update button like this, tap on update and then update the app. After the update is complete, locate your Slack and open it up. After you're here, what you'll need to do is go to the DM section or anywhere where you have an important messages. After you're on that DM, locate the important message and long press on it. There you'll find an option to pin the message. So tap on more actions and there you'll find pin to conversation. Tap on that and now the message will get pinned. And it's that simple. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.